Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video it's gonna be a tutorial about CapCut application, and I would like to show you the way how to make music sounds muffled on a CapCut. So here, let's jump into the tutorial. Open your CapCut, and whenever you open it, make sure that you already add the sounds or music on your video, and here I already have some. I would like to show you. Okay, and whenever you already add the music or the sound on your video, you just need to go click this audio sections, and after that you just need to click this part or the music part, and whenever you click it, you will be activated several tools on this down here, and you just need to jump into the voice effects. And whenever you arrive in the voice effects, you just need to go click this retro, and in this retro there will be like several options that you can use, but mostly there will be goes into the pro version of the CapCut, but there will be also like several effects that you can use for free, which is this microphone, lo-fi, and vinyl. So to make it like sounds muffled, you just need to go click this microphone, and after that you just need to go click check button, and now your music will be sound muffled. So that's the way to create or to make music sound muffled on a CapCut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and see you for the next tutorial.